In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username in Gumroad. If you want to update the name connected to your Gumroad account, the good news is that the process is very quick and straightforward. You can do it in just a few clicks from your account settings, and I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can make the change smoothly. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Gumroad account and you're on your dashboard. Once you're there, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you'll find several options related to your account and store management. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Gumroad account, where you can manage different parts of your profile and account information. If you're not sure whether you're in the right place, don't worry. You should now be on a page where Gumroad lets you edit your personal and account details. Next, go to User Details. This is the section where your account information is stored, including the username field you'll need to update. It's a good idea to take a quick look over the information on this page before making changes, just to be sure you're editing the correct field. Now, find the username field and enter your new username. As you type, make sure the new username is spelled exactly the way you want it to appear. Since usernames are often tied to your profile identity, it's worth double checking for any typos, extra spaces, or formatting issues before saving. If the username you want is unavailable, you may need to try a slight variation until you find one that works. Once you've entered your new username, click on Update Settings. This saves the change and updates your account information. After that, your new username should be applied to your Gumroad account. If you want to confirm that everything worked correctly, you can stay on the page and review the updated information after saving. That way, you can make sure the change was accepted and displayed properly. And that's all it takes to change your username in Gumroad. Open your profile picture menu, go to Settings, head into User Details, enter the new username, and click Update Settings. It only takes a moment, and it's an easy way to keep your account information current.